Yeah, now we're going to talk about the pronouns in object position. And here is only ono, eno, and enonom that change. The rest maintain their composition. They do not change. Let me give you this example, and then we'll use it to explain all other pronouns. In a statement, he pushed him. Let's use me in that statement. That he pushed me in that statement. I will say in Twi, opia me. He pushed me. You see that me still remains unchanged, whether in object position or subject position is the same. And then eno too will say opiano. So eno in object position becomes no. However, all the other plural pronouns, they maintain their composition. So we say opiaye, opiamo, opiawon. They maintain their composition. They don't change. But enonom also will say opiano. So this is where we draw the curtain down on this aspect of Twi grammar. In fact, we shall consider other aspects of Twi grammar in other videos. But before we end, I want you to take note of these three major points. And that is 1. All pronouns acting as subject of a verb are written together with the verb. Example, mesa, wosa, osa, esa, wasa, and so on and so forth. 2. Possessive pronouns are always written separately from the nouns that they qualify. However, when the noun that they qualify begin with letter A, then the rules of the game change. And that is, the singular pronouns lose their vowels and replace with an apostrophe, and it is written together with the noun that they qualify. Example, we have nason, mason, and so on and so forth. But as we have said, this only affects the singular pronouns, and that of the plural pronouns is only enonom that is affected. The rest, like yen, mo, won, are not affected. They are always written separately from the noun that they qualify, irrespective of whether they begin with letter A or not. So we'll have example like yen, asun, not written together but separately. Yen is written separately, and then asun is written separately. Point 3. All pronouns acting as object of a verb do not change except these pronouns, that is ono, eno, and enonom. The rest remain unchanged. For example, in a statement, opiame, you see that me remains unchanged even in an object position, acting as an object to a verb. It did not change. But opiano, that is now ne or ono, becomes no. It changes. Opiano, concerning eno, too, it changes to no. Opiayen, yen did not change. Opiawon, one did not change. But enonom too will change to eno, opiano. So this brings to the end of our lesson on this Twi Grammar. And like I said, we'll have other programs concerning Twi Grammar, so stay tuned.